Hello from Nynäshamn, or actually from Knappelskär, where the cave Knappelskär's Grottan lies that you have seen at the beginning of this vlog. And I have found another spontaneous nude beach spot here in these super edgy and rocky cliffs. And it's almost impossible to get down. I'm not really sure how I managed to do that, but I have spotted one rock that I can jump from, potentially into the sea, and it seems to be a bit deep here. And yes, it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris on this beach number 89, the second episode for today. Just because it's a weekend, I'm doing special second edition, and because the sun is up. If the sun was not up, I would not have been filming one more. I would just be swimming alone without documenting it. Quite nice indeed here. I have found a spot that I get protected from the wind that's coming from that direction. I don't like that there is some kind of leftover from the waves came all the way here, or from the rain, I'm not really sure. But still there is enough space to chill and to relax. I have already taken one swim earlier today, closer to Lovkagen, but I was walking and exploring to find nice beach spot, and I found it. And I found it, just I need to make sure to be able to get down somehow here. And now the waves are coming from I don't know which boat. Quite big ones indeed. So yes, I am in Knappelskär's Grottan, Nynäshamn. To get here by public transport, you need to take the commuter train towards Nynäshamn, and from there either walk or take buses, few buses that run not so often. Obviously you can come by bike. If you take your bike on the pendeltåg, you can or by car obviously. And it's very scenic, and I will be definitely switching between Bendo and Nynäshamn in the following weekends. It's also good to notice that here in Nynäshamn the water temperature of the sea is a bit better than in Bendo, which is definitely nice. 2 degrees warmer. Yesterday I measured 15 at Björkvik, and here at it's 17. Okay, let's go, folks. It's a bit slippery here, I can see. So it's going to be challenging for me to jump from a slippery slope. But I will do. Don't worry. See, the rocks are so edgy. I don't think it is that deep here, actually. Now that I'm reconsidering. So I will need to find plan B, folks. Real adventure this turned out to be. Indeed. I'm not really sure how deep it is here, but I'm gonna jump anyway, since it is much better than to slide or try to slide in here. It is very slippery overall, and I really hope it's at least 1.5 meter deep. So okay, so let's then go with the flow. and ready, set, and go! Oh, it's more than 2 meters. I don't know what I was thinking, that is not so deep. So it was definitely amazing. Look at this. Look at this piece of nature. It's absolutely stunning. Alright, that is a wrap from this scenic luxury spot at Knappelskär in Nynäshamn. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another Beach Adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!